You scrub, you spray, you scrub again. And still, those ugly yellow stains refuse to leave your bathroom. On tiles, around drains, on the toilet base, in corners. They make your bathroom look old, dirty, and neglected, even when you clean regularly. Many people think yellow stains mean damage or age, but here's the truth. Most yellow bathroom stains are completely removable, and you do not need harsh chemicals to fix them. Stay with me, because today I'll show you how to remove yellow bathroom stains safely, naturally, and effectively, without burning your hands, choking on fumes, or damaging surfaces. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community before we start. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss smart, chemical-free cleaning solutions. Why yellow stains appear in bathrooms. Yellow stains don't appear overnight. They're caused by mineral buildup, soap residue, body oils, moisture, and hard water deposits. Bathrooms are warm and humid, which allows these substances to settle and oxidize over time. The biggest mistake people make. Most people attack yellow stains with strong bleach or acid cleaners. That may remove the color temporarily, but it damages surfaces, weakens grout, and creates toxic fumes. Worse, harsh chemicals often bleach the stain instead of removing the buildup underneath, which means the stain comes back even darker later. The solution isn't stronger chemicals, it's smarter chemistry. The natural power combo that actually works. The safest and most effective approach uses baking soda, white vinegar, and thyme. Together, when used correctly, they remove yellow stains without scratching or poisoning your bathroom environment. Step 1. Prep the stained area. Before applying anything, rinse the stained area with warm water. This softens surface residue and prepares it for treatment. Never apply cleaners to a completely dry surface. Moisture helps natural ingredients work deeper. Step 2. Apply baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to form a thick paste. Spread it directly over the yellow stains, whether on tiles, grout, toilet base, or shower floor. Make sure the stain is fully covered. Baking soda works slowly but deeply, so coverage matters. Step 3. Add vinegar, the right way. Now gently spray or pour white vinegar over the baking soda paste. You'll see fizzing. Step 4. Let it sit. This is the secret. This step is where most people fail. Patience. Let the mixture sit for 15 to 30 minutes. For heavy stains, leave it up to an hour. Step 5. Gentle scrub, gentle results. After soaking, use a soft brush or sponge to scrub lightly. You'll notice the yellow stains fading quickly, often disappearing completely. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Why this works better than harsh chemicals. Harsh cleaners attack everything, including your surfaces and lungs. This method targets the cause of yellow stains, not just the color. It dissolves buildup instead of burning it away. That's why results last longer, and surfaces stay intact. Where this method works best. This technique works beautifully on toilet bases and bowls, bathroom tiles, grout lines, shower floors, sink edges, drain surroundings. It's safe for most ceramic and porcelain surfaces. What to do if stains return? If stains reappear quickly, the issue is moisture. Yellow stains thrive in damp environments. Always dry bathroom surfaces after use, ventilate well, and wipe problem areas weekly. Prevention is easier than repeated cleaning. Extra natural booster for tough stains. For very stubborn yellow stains, sprinkle a little salt over the baking soda paste before adding vinegar. Salt adds gentle abrasion without scratching and boosts cleaning power. Still chemical-free. The emotional relief of a truly clean bathroom. A bathroom without yellow stains feels newer, brighter, and more hygienic. You feel confident when guests visit. You stop feeling embarrassed. And most importantly, you know your home is clean without harming your health. If this chemical-free method helped you remove yellow stains the right way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more smart, safe home cleaning hacks. Share this with someone still fighting stains the hard way, because now you know better.